In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Perplexity AI to Google Ads. So you're going to just navigate to Perplexity and then you're going to go ahead and select Customize. Under Customize, select the option Connectors, and then from here, search for Google Ads, like so. You should see it appearing in search results, so go ahead and just select the plus icon next to it and then choose Add Connector. Again, if you want to have more than one connector added to your account, you do need to ensure that you have a subscription so that you can add multiple connectors. So for me, I do need to subscribe so that I can be able to get it. But if you already have a subscription, go ahead, give the necessary details, log into your account, give the necessary permissions, and you should now be able to use Perplexity in conjunction with Google Ads. You can even be able to see here what you can be able to do from chat on Google Ads. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.